Today we'll be checking out how to install the Mobikul Mobile app from the Shopify store after you've logged into your Shopify web store backend panel. So right now you can see that I've logged into my Shopify backend panel right now, and under the sales channel I don't have the Mobikul Mobile app right now, so I need to install it from the Shopify app store. To do so, I'll just tap here on the apps icon, and this brings up the complete section wherein you'll find the apps. So this is the app section. Here on the top right hand corner you can see the shop for apps button. Just tap that up and that will bring up this particular Shopify app store section. Now here you need to enter Mobikul, and thereafter just tap here on the search icon. You'll find this particular page here for the Mobikul, and here you'll find the Mobikul app builder Mobikul by Webpool Software Private Limited. Just tap on that, and that will bring up the product page for the Mobikul Mobile app builder. From here you can add this app to your Shopify store for a 30-day free trial period, and after that it's $25 per month. Now to add this particular app to your Shopify store, just tap here on the add app button and you'll be redirected to your backend panel once again. Now after reaching the backend once again, you are about to add the Mobikul Mobile app, so you'll scroll down here on this particular page and you'll tap here on the add sales channel button. Now to add the Mobikul Mobile app as a sales channel would take about a minute there, and after that you'll find the Mobikul Mobile app installed under the sales channel on the left hand side that you can see. So now you can see that the Mobikul Mobile app has been installed under the sales channel on the left hand side here, and here we have the different options for the Mobikul Mobile app builder itself for your mobile application for your Shopify web store. So that was much about how to install the Mobikul Mobile app, and thanks for watching this particular video.